Hi Asad, this is Viplav speaking, and this is my daily checklist video. Every day first up work is open my Gmail ID and then check my mail. I got from Shushan in mail, that is let me set up a account Professor ST. We do that as your instruction also, and then check my beta team and also rental channel. Then I go to our daily check list, VA task management, ultimate list, and in the meantime we have a meeting with Asad about some points, and he gave us some detail, and we must follow that instruction. Today I work on Frontier, but cannot finish all the product today. Maybe tomorrow I will finish it, but today I got someone, and that and this product I submitted at my ultimate list here also. Please check it, and also check my KG and do my ad, and check on my message. Today there have not potential tenant actually, and I also work on I check my Amex bill also, and that is our work today. Tomorrow I maybe I work on one step detail, or what you actually instruct in VA task management. I try to do from tomorrow, and that's all. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.